Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a doctor landing page in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels in the top menu. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Doctor Landing Page. Choose the goal that best fits your needs, such as build an audience or sell, then click Create. Inside your funnel, click Add Step and choose an opt-in page or sales page. Select a clean, professional landing page template. Click Edit Page to open the drag-and-drop editor. Start by adding a clear headline such as, Book your appointment today, or Trusted Healthcare for you and your family. Next, add a short description introducing the doctor, medical practice, and the services you provide. You can also include the doctor's photo, qualifications, years of experience, clinic address, patient testimonials, and contact details to build trust. Now add an appointment request form where visitors can enter their name, email address, phone number, and preferred appointment date. Customize the call to action button with text like, book appointment or schedule your consultation. After that, edit your thank you page and connect the form to an email campaign so patients automatically receive a confirmation email and any follow-up information. Click Save Changes and test the page before publishing. That's it. You've successfully created a doctor landing page in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.